1988 Chevrolet K5 Blazer 4x4 here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Clean Carfax, actually original California vehicle up until 2015. 350 V8 power underneath the hood. That's paired up with an automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC. Let's take a look at this front and grille. Chrome on the bumper. Technician did note on the AC the compressor does work. It has been converted to 134A. The blower motor will need attention though, is in op. All right, so check out the still pictures. You're gonna be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay. All those still pics can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's gonna take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Does have newer tires and wheels, 2019 date code on those Cooper Evolution MT radials. Plenty of tread left, as you can see. Does have a lift. Let's take a look down this passenger side. Vehicle was painted 3 years ago, as well as the interior being redone. Obviously, black and white combination. Of course, removable top on the rear. That rear fiberglass portion right here is removable. Some notes from the technician. Brakes are 40% in the rear, 70% in the front. Dual exhaust, no catalytic converters. Four-wheel drive is in working order. Aftermarket stereo working. Your typical powertrain seat from a vehicle that's driven. A few things that will need attention or looked at in the near future. Rear view mirror to come loose from the front windshield. That could be glued back on. Power locks, reverse lights, a little off on the steering wheel alignment, and driver's side lower ball joint were a few of the things that they just mentioned to note. And again, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you like these full-size Blazers, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done online right off our showroom floor. Paint, you can see some orange peel in it down this driver's side. Does have a nice shine to it though. Kind of that way along the black. A little tougher to see over here, but some orange peel on the passenger side, just so you're aware of that. Let's go ahead and check out this interior. Jason's going to take it for a drive when we're done with this walk around video. We are going to start it up, take a peek underneath the hood, let you listen to it. You can see the seats were reupholstered also when it was painted on the exterior. New carpeting done at that time too. Little aftermarket, looks like Grant GT steering wheel, tilt column. Fire this one up. You'll be able to see the dash and the still pictures underneath the mat. There's a few cracks, kind of your typical on the top of that dash. Aftermarket stereo, Alpine. Like I said, technician did state it was working. Manual, transfer case, center console painted to match. You're going to get a good look at the interior in the still pictures also. I believe there's a little power steering growl, something else that was mentioned. There you get an idea how it sounds. A little rumble coming out of that 350. Let me go ahead and pop this hood. I want to give you a look at that engine bay, and then like I said, stick around a little longer. Jason will take it for a drive. All right, underside of the hood and engine bay, you'll be able to see the compressor does kick on and off. 350 power steering, power brakes. AC has been converted. Remember I said it does need a blower motor. Newer alternator looks like. '88 Chevrolet K5 Blazer. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. And yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Hey, we're driving a fun 1988 Chevrolet Blazer, a square body. Who doesn't love a square body Chevy? Blazer with the removable top back end for all the best experiences. Off-road, open air. Our turn signal's working. This is an automatic shifted on the column. Sounds great. Just a little bit of that glass back sound, right? It sounds good. This is also a skull shift knob. There's a Rat Fink decal on the back currently. Kind of a cool homage to that. Now you see the cracks in the dash. There's also a dash pad that comes with this, and there are some Velcro pieces from the attachment for that, so you can easily hide those cracks. A little bit of wind noise around the doors to be expected. Center console, storage, cup holders, cloth bucket seats, cloth upholstery in the back. Looking good, black on black. Black headliner. We've got a tilt column, raise that up a little bit. Nice GT, a Grant GT steering wheel with a little bit of finger grooves, real wood. Brakes feel good. Now you always expect these to lean a whole lot. This really doesn't lean that much. Suspension is firm enough to keep it cornering nicely. Leans as much as it should. Kickdown works on the automatic transmission. Now the steering wheel's canted a little bit to the right, but that doesn't affect performance at all. Our battery gauge is charging over 14 volts. The oil pressure, 55 pounds, and the temperature about 180 to 190. The speedometer shows 35 miles an hour, and the fuel gauge shows between a quarter and a half a tank. Fun truck, as all these lifted trucks are. Definitely want to look at all the pictures and call us and ask questions. The website is uniqueclassiccars.com.